Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this quick video, I'm going to be covering the brand new release of Kodi 20.4 Nexus, which is now the most updated version of this software. But before I dive into the details, I first want to note that Kodi is available inside the Google Play Store, and it has over 50 million downloads and 329,000 reviews. So because Kodi is available inside Google Play, I can be sure that this application is 100% legal and verified to install on our devices. So heading back over to my article here, this is on my website at IPTVWire.com, and I will leave a link to this and everything else that I mentioned in the video description below. But guys, Kodi 20.4 Nexus is, again, the most stable release and the new update of this software. So the developers quoted the following. They said, "It looks like one last hurrah was premature for the Nexus line. We find ourselves back again already, this time with a new 20.4 release." Now, I don't know if you guys remember in my previous 20.3 video, it appeared that 20.3 was going to be the last version of the 20 Nexus software, but now they're rolling out 20.4. An assortment of bug fixes, some backports, no real new features. Full changelog since 20.3 on GitHub as usual. Thanks as always to everyone who helped us track down and fix any issues. Now, it seems the Kodi developers are some great individuals that, dedicate their time, and actually a lot of these people are volunteers. So I do appreciate all of their work, and I want to make note of that. So here are some of the release notes. Again, there is an official blog post on Kodi's website as well, documenting all of the details here. But I wanted to create my own article, kind of to trim this down and just provide you with the most important information. So some of the details as I'm going on Kodi's official website, as you'll see here, there's builds. So a backport aimed at fixing the failure rate of add-on builds has been merged. Update to controller add-ons. There's some platform-specific releases here. We have some Android, some iOS notes, TV operating system notes. So they fixed a bug on the TV operating system. On Android, it says several fixes have been backported from master to fix deployment issues on Google Play. So I would assume the Google Play application had some bug fixes here. And if I scroll down, it says, "Thanks as always." There's a note here about Android deployment. We always do what's known as a stage rolled out for Android. So if you don't receive the update immediately, be patient as it will come through over the next week, as a majority of fixes are related to the Google Play deployment. We will deliberately be cautious with the schedule. If you do receive 20.4 and have any issues, let us know as soon as possible. So it appears this update, guys, was geared towards that Google Play Store application right here. Now, if you want to install the latest version of Kodi, all you need to do is go to their official website, click download, and then scroll down and you'll see all the compatible devices here that Kodi is available. So if I click Android, for example, I know this is the most updated version as it says Kodi 20.4 Nexus right here. And here's the Google Play option. And if you're installing the APK file, you'd want to hit this ARM v7a 32-bit. So that is how you install this new 20.4 version, Nexus version, right here on Kodi's official website. But that's it, guys. Those are just some quick details highlighting this brand new release of Kodi 20.4 Nexus, which again is now the most stable release of this open source software. Just a final note is that if you are in the market for a VPN, Surfshark VPN is our #1 recommended VPN, not only for Kodi, but also for protecting yourself online in general. You'll see you can get up to 81% off plus 2 free months using our special discount link below this video. And guys, that not only will give you the best discount, but that also does help support myself and this channel, continuing to bring you these free videos and updates just like this one. So again, this is Bodie with IPTV Wire. Appreciate you all watching this quick video on the release of Kodi 20.4 Nexus. Be sure to leave me a comment, like this video. Guys, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope you all have a great day.